Hi, I'm Juan with the Home Depot, here to share some basics on how to stage a home for sale or for rent. Staging a home can make it more attractive to buyers or renters, command a higher sale or rental price, and a stage home spends 30 to 50% less time on the market. It will require some upfront costs, so reserve 1 to 2% of your budget to cover that. But don't forget, first impressions matter. You want your potential buyers or renters to be wowed from the moment they arrive. So start your staging at the front door. Before staging, address basic repairs and consider minor improvements like refinishing hardwood floors, replacing cabinetry hardware, or replacing outdated appliances. Make sure the home is sparkling clean. Dust out closets and drawers, clean the windows, polish the hardware, everything. Remove all signs of pets and deodorize. When it comes to staging, you don't need to stage every room. Focus on the ones that will have the most impact and where potential buyers or renters would expect to spend most of their time. Professional stagers recommend prioritizing the living room, the kitchen, the master bedroom, the dining room, and the bathroom, in that order. You can buy or rent furniture to stage. In either case, stick with styles that are simple and modern. Think of it like a hotel room, comfortable, tasteful, and generic. Keep the color palette fairly neutral. Upholstery, walls, and decor should complement the space without being too loud. Any potential buyer will have their own taste and preferences for interior design. So you don't want your staging to grab attention away from the space. Include decor to warm up the space and to draw attention towards stronger elements of the house and away from the weaker ones. Consider adding a few books to a shelf, a nice lamp here and there, a couple of art pieces on the wall, along with some indoor plants and fresh cut flowers. Good lighting makes an interior feel more clean and inviting, so do whatever you can to enhance the light in the space. Replace light bulbs to a higher lumen, open blinds and curtains, trim away foliage outside of windows, and brighten darker corners of the house with strategically placed lamps. And finally, don't forget to spend some time on the exterior of the house, particularly in the front, to build some curb appeal. At the very least, trim and clean up the yard, lay down mulch to cover any bare spots, touch up and repaint as necessary, and consider upgrading things like exterior porch lights or the mailbox. And if time and budget permits, stage outdoor areas like balconies, decks, or patios. Outdoor spaces help sell a residence. Thanks for joining me and the Home Depot. For more how-to content specifically created for pros like us, go to homedepot.com/pro-guides.